Okay, so today we're going to do a quick tutorial on using Aware and how we can find our data from benchmark testing and any other tests that you enter into Aware. First, you go on the left side there. You have the tabs there. I'm going under the Analyze tab, and I'm going to click Quick Views. And then you get a drop down menu. You see the several different options here. If you click star test, that'll give you star results from previous year. We're just going to look at C-scope tests and then click on this year. And then let's look at 8th grade reading. And then this has got our benchmark data here. So we'll click on data. As you can see, it brings up just kind of the overall passing rate for the students, their raw score, and the percentage of how the students did. You have several tabs across the top that'll show you different views and different ways to analyze the data. You have this drop-down menu right here, which drops down with several different options if you wanted to look at an item analysis or how they did on each objective, how they did on each student expectation, and the different levels. But let's look at the individual responses. And you're going to get something that comes along like this, and it's going to show you each question, the individual student responses, and how they performed on those responses, and it gives you the student expectation, and then you can scroll all the way across. It shows you the entire test, and it breaks it down by the different subgroups. You can see here with the overall, the economically disadvantaged, and you can see the numbers there. Let's say you wanted to print this information. You could click here and then export it to Excel or PDF. I would recommend exporting it to PDF because it's easier to print that way. If you want to manipulate the data and there's some data points in there that you don't feel like you need, then export it to Excel and you can delete the items you don't need. But if you just want to print it as is, exporting it to PDF is more beneficial. If you want to look at the individual students and how they performed, you see a green student head in this corner over here, right here, and that is where you click on that, and that'll pull up how your individual students did. With your individual students, you can pull the same results and the same information that you've done on this report or any other report. This is just a short, quick tutorial on Aware. If you have any other questions or want to take a deeper look, please come by and visit me.